The Rangers Charity Foundation is celebrating its 10th anniversary, and it's been a decade of amazing achievements thanks to your support and commitment. We recently smashed the £1 million barrier in terms of cash donations, taking our total cash and in-kind donations to date to over £2.5 million. Since our inception, we've had a significant and positive impact on the lives of thousands, both at home and abroad.
Well, over the last 10 years, the Foundation has been really proud to work with over 27 partner organisations, and through those organisations we've actually donated over £1 million in cash support.
Dozens of inspirational ideas have become reality, from health centres in some of Togo's poorest communities and specialist facilities in Glasgow for teenagers with cancer, to Braille books for Scotland's blind children and life-saving nebulisers for the Cystic Fibrosis Trust.
And our focus at the Rangers Charity Foundation to assist charities locally, nationally and internationally really chimes with that area of the club, and we want to harness the charitable spirit of fans all around the world in order to be able to give support in all of these areas.
Recently, our inspirational project with UNICEF in Togo, reconstructing and equipping 7 vital health centres in the region, has been completed. These life-saving centres are now fully operational and are already helping thousands of children and their families, providing better access to basic medical care, water and sanitation facilities, and life-saving nutrition for malnourished children in some of the poorest areas of Togo.
This season we're launching a 1 in a Million campaign with UNICEF, and it's a very ambitious campaign. We want to help immunise 1 million children in the poorest areas of the world from preventable diseases. Every day 4,000 children die of preventable diseases, and many more fall ill because of these diseases such as diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, polio. Now, to purchase the vaccines doesn't cost a great deal of money. In fact, for example, 27 pence could pay for the 3 doses of polio vaccine to help prevent catching that disease. So we believe for child survival that this 1 in a Million campaign is very important. Rangers fans and their generosity are 1 in a million, in the same sense that, you know, all children are 1 in a million in terms of how unique and important they are. And we want to try and raise enough funds to protect 1 million children from preventable diseases. So our 1 in a Million campaign really is very ambitious, very exciting, and I hope will inspire our fans and everyone in the club to get behind this partnership and help us reach our target over 3 years of £300,000.
We were particularly proud to launch our new partnership with the Prince and Princess of Wales Hospice to work on a long-term project which we believe will provide a lasting and significant legacy to the people of Glasgow.
The new hospice is going to be in a proposed site at Bellahouston Park. It's going to be a new 21st century facility. It will be absolutely marvellous for our patients and families, and it'll allow us to be much more flexible in our care and meet the future agenda.
The new facility has been designed with the needs of the patient at the heart of every decision and has addressed significant gaps in the current provision of palliative care.
So there's a big emphasis on coming into the hospice not feeling that it's clinical at all and feeling at home. We often know that people would rather be at home, but you know, if this is the next best thing, we want them to come in and be comfortable and relaxed with us.
The foundation will aim to raise £100,000 to assist the hospice with its groundbreaking initiative to create a state-of-the-art palliative care facility in Glasgow for generations to come.
I think we have got a responsibility, as well as, you know, from a social point of view, but, you know, for morale and for help these people deal with this terrible illness. So it is, you know, something that touches every family, and I think, you know, the family of Rangers need to actually, you know, put their hand in the pockets, get behind this trust as they've done in the past, and I'm sure they will again in the future.
This season, we will also support ABF, the Soldiers' Charity, and aim to raise £25,000 to help fund some of its core activities.
It covers a wide range of activities focused on the individual in their hour of need, and we believe it's a very worthwhile cause, and we're delighted to be working with them during the season.
You look at some of the tragic cases of some of our younger men and women coming back from war, you know, and it's horrendous, and I wouldn't say we take it for granted, but sometimes, you know, I think we should be reminded of, you know, the sacrifices that these people are making.
The Army's national charity has worked with soldiers and veterans from every conflict since World War II and provides practical support to the brave men and women who serve in the British Army.
Day in, day out, they are helping individuals, whether it's to assist with mobility issues, home modifications, war widows support.
And I think I speak for certainly everybody involved at Rangers Football Club, and indeed all the support that, again, we're extremely proud to be and privileged to be helping what are indeed a vital part of our country.
With your help, these inspiring projects can become a reality. The spirit of our supporters has been very evident in recent months, and we believe their charitable spirit in particular has never been stronger. Without you, the Rangers Charity Foundation could not have achieved the milestones it has over the last decade.
Rangers fans are just as important to the Rangers Charity Foundation as they are to Rangers Football Club. The foundation simply couldn't exist without them.
I'm very proud of the fact, you know, Connell and his team, the Rangers Charity Foundation, do a fantastic job, a wonderful, wonderful amount of work, and a great service to our football club and indeed the charities that they represent and help.
At the same time, we take nothing for granted, and we work very hard to try and share our enthusiasm for the work of the foundation and the projects that we support with fans and the general public.
So thank you for your support, not only from the foundation, but also from our charity partners and the thousands the Rangers Charity Foundation helps every year. We couldn't do it without you.